Good evening, friends. Today our topic of discussion is India-Pakistan peace plan failed before takeoff. On June 1, 2021, Prime Minister Imran Khan, in a live question and answer session with the public, said that Pakistan's ties with India could not be mended without the restoration of Article 370, as it would amount to turning the back on Kashmiris. In response to a question, Imran Khan said, unless India retreats from the steps taken on August 5, 2019, Pakistan government will not talk to India at all. Few weeks back, Pakistan's Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi, in an interview to Samna TV, said, "In my view, Article 370 is not important," adding that Article 370 is India's internal affair. Qureshi said Article 35A is important to Pakistan as India is trying to restructure the demography of Kashmir by doing away with it. Earlier in the first week of February 2021, both Pakistan's Prime Minister Imran Khan and Pakistan's Army Chief had issued statements for resolution of issues with India for bringing peace, which had taken everyone by surprise. Pakistan Army Chief General Qamar Javed Bajwa had maintained that it is time to bury the past and move forward. On February 25, 2021, India and Pakistani army chiefs issued a joint statement whereby they said that they will abide by 2003 agreement of maintaining peace on the borders, and after that there has been no cross-firing at the borders. US Foreign Minister Sheikh Abdullah bin Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan was present in India on the day this joint statement was issued by Indian and Pakistani army chiefs. Imran Khan, during his two-day visit to Sri Lanka on February 24, 2021, had called for resolving differences with India via dialogue. Imran Khan claimed that he had unsuccessfully attempted to diffuse tension in the bilateral relations with India after assuming power in 2018. He emphasized the need to improve trading ties with India. Pakistan, sometimes in April 2021, had also announced that Pakistan will start importing sugar and cotton yarn from India. However, there was a setback when the Pakistan cabinet rejected the proposal of the Economic Coordination Committee to import sugar, cotton and yarn from India. Pakistan PM Imran Khan had gone to Saudi Arabia on a 3-day visit during the first week of May 2021. Saudi Arabian government had told Imran Khan in clear terms that they should resolve Kashmir with India peacefully, and had also told Imran Khan that best way to resolve Kashmir issue was by agreeing to LOC into an international boundary between the two countries. Saudi Arabia had also told Pakistan that India is very important for them and they cannot spoil their relations with India at any cost. But the statement of Pakistan Prime Minister, who again raised the issue of Jammu and Kashmir and claimed that his country would resume talks with India if Article 370 was restored, has brought the situation once again to zero. Although there was talk of peace and there had been no exchange of fire between India and Pakistan army at the border since February 2021, but all was not well. Pakistan never stopped its terror activities against India. Terrorists had been regularly entering into India from Pakistan side, and Indian army had been continuing to neutralize them and did not allow them to carry out any terror attack. But Pakistan also conducted infiltration inside India by sending drones into Kashmir. In the month of April 2021, a drone was shot down by BSF in the Samba sector, which had arms and ammunition with it, including guns, grenades and AK-47. Then again, in the month of May 2021, another drone was shot down by BSF, which was not carrying any arms with it, but the BSF conducted searches in the area to see if there was any unnatural activity in the area. In the meantime, Pakistan Army had started military build-up on its site of the POK, where locals claimed that Pakistan Army had been illegally encroaching upon their private lands. Although Pakistan had been talking of peace, but India never believed Pakistan, and now this process of peace between India and Pakistan has ceased. Nobody in India believed that there could be peace between India and Pakistan because India had been dealing with Pakistan for the past 74 years and Pakistan had repeatedly backstabbed India. Besides, Pakistan has never stood by its promises. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.